Hello everyone, Fontane, the Scout Ghost, still here in Shanghai for VR AR Expo China. And now I see something interesting while visiting this company called Shoujing Science and Technology. And in particular, my attention was caught by this headset, the AR-MX2. And you may say, why? Because basically they are building what can be a substitute of the HoloLens, which is very interesting for companies that were using the HoloLens or Magic Leap, but they don't have a substitute now. You see, it's using waveguides and 46 degrees of field of view. It has a resolution like Full HD for the display, and it's running Android and it's connected via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 5G, and has of course a RAM and another flash storage memory. Support sensors like GPS, and you can see here there is like this balance design. You have this battery, gas, and computational unit in the back to compensate the front with some board, the sensors like the cameras, I guess the chipset, and the waveguide displays and all the rest. So unluckily, I cannot try this one. It's still work in progress. This is very an early prototype. The full device should be released like in a few months. They say maybe end of summer, beginning of autumn. So I cannot tell you how good it is, but it's interesting that a company is working on this beyond HMS, the Japanese company. Also, this one looks more like the HoloLens than the HMS one. So it's very pity I cannot try it. I put this on my head and it looked like a bit like the HoloLens. So let me show you again the cone and all the rest. The price not revealed, but they say order of magnitude, let's say, was more than 1,000 US dollars. So let's say between 1,000 and 1,006, let's say something like that. But still not defined that as well. So take this with a pinch of salt, but will be still much cheaper than the original HoloLens. So very interesting device. I'm asking the company maybe to keep in touch with me because I would really love to see this. They of course will launch mainly in China, but they're open also to sell it abroad. So let me just put it on my head for 1 second. Okay, so just wearing it, this very early prototypes, of course, it shouldn't be comfortable as such, but you can see there is a halo. And I see everything around me a bit darker, like all with the waveguide displays. So the visuals should be better. It's turned off, as I told you, I cannot try it for real, but it still feels balanced as the design, which is pretty good. So I can't wait to know more. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Yeah. Bye bye.